Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really quick tutorial on how to do a black winged liner. So if you like the way my wing looks and you want to see how I get it, then keep on watching. Okay, and now we're nice and close. So the eyeliner I'm using today is from Eyeliner London. It is a skinny liquid liner, and I'm just going to start off on the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to make the bottom line of the wing. So I'm just doing really small strokes, and I think that's where I want my wing to end. I don't want like a huge dramatic wing. I don't usually do those. So that's a good baseline for the wing, and now I'm going to do the top. So I'm going to raise my eyebrows so I can see my lid space and just bring this wing back towards my lash line. Now I'm just going to line really close to my lashes along my whole lash line. And connect it back to the wing. Alright, now I'm just going to fill in the rest of the wing. Alright, and we're all set. This is how I make my simple black wing, and now I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and add some mascara, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I have both wings complete. I hope this tutorial was super easy to follow and very helpful for those of you trying to do the perfect black wing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.